Hello and welcome to another exciting video on the channel English with Altaf. Today we're going to share some interesting and powerful brain tricks to help you learn English faster and think smarter. These tips are simple, scientific, and easy to use in your daily life. If you've ever struggled with remembering vocabulary, understanding grammar, or speaking confidently, this video is just for you. Let's explore how your brain can become your best friend in learning English. The brain is like a muscle. The more you train it, the better it performs. The first brain trick is visualization. When you hear or read a new word, create a picture in your mind. For example, if you learn the word apple, imagine a juicy red apple in your hand. This method helps your brain remember the word faster and longer. The second brain trick is association. Connect the new English word to something you already know in your native language. Suppose you are learning the word journey. Connect it with the word safar in Urdu. This association helps you understand and remember the meaning. The third trick is using multiple senses. Don't just read a word, say it aloud, write it down, and even try to use it in a sentence. The more senses you use, the stronger the memory becomes. The fourth brain trick is called spaced repetition. It means you don't study everything in one day. Instead, review the same information after some time, like one day, then 3 days later, then a week later. Your brain remembers things better this way. Now let's talk about chunking. Instead of learning one word at a time, learn words in groups or phrases. For example, instead of just learning the word thanks, learn the phrase thanks a lot for your help. Your brain remembers phrases more naturally than single words. One more powerful trick is to speak to yourself in English. Yes? Talk to yourself. Describe what you're doing, what you're feeling, or what you're thinking in English. It sounds funny, but it works because your brain starts thinking in English instead of translating from your native language. Another great brain trick is mindfulness. When you are learning, focus completely on the lesson. Turn off your phone, sit in a quiet place, and give full attention to English. When your brain is focused, learning becomes faster and deeper. Let's talk about sleep. Did you know that your brain stores new information while you sleep? That's why it's important to get good sleep after studying. Even a short nap after learning something new helps your brain remember it better. Now I'll hand it over to Altaf, and he'll share some more exciting brain tricks with you.
Thank you, Ikra. These brain tricks are really helpful, and I'm going to add even more powerful ideas to help our viewers. Let's talk about storytelling. When you learn a new word or grammar point, try to create a short story using it. Stories activate more parts of your brain than simple memorization. For example, if you learn the word brave, make a story about a brave boy who saved a puppy. That small story will help you remember the word better. Another great trick is curiosity. Make English fun. Ask questions like, why do we say I am interested and not I am interesting? When your brain is curious, it learns faster. Keep a small notebook or use your phone to collect interesting words or phrases. Review them every day. This makes your brain active and alert. Use the method of teach back. It means if you learn something new in English, try to teach it to someone else. When you teach, your brain organizes the information better and stores it longer. Also, try to change your environment into English. Set your mobile language to English, watch English videos, and listen to English songs. Surrounding yourself with English creates constant exposure, and your brain starts accepting it as a normal language. Let's not forget about practice. Practice is not just repeating words. It's using English in real situations. Try ordering food in English, writing comments in English, or even writing a diary. The more real your practice is, the more your brain improves. Music is another amazing trick. Listen to English songs and try to understand the lyrics. Music connects with emotions, and your brain remembers emotional things easily. Use rhythm and rhyme to remember words. Another brain trick is changing the way you study. If you always read sitting in a chair, try walking while you study. If you always study in the morning, try it in the evening. Changing your study method surprises your brain and helps it to stay awake and alert. Don't forget to laugh and enjoy. Laughter reduces stress, and a relaxed brain learns better. So choose fun ways to learn English, play word games, join conversation groups, or watch comedy shows in English. Also celebrate your small achievements. When you successfully learn 5 new words, reward yourself. This positive emotion tells your brain that learning is enjoyable, and it keeps helping you more. Don't worry about mistakes. Your brain learns from errors, so if you make a mistake while speaking or writing, just correct it and move on. Train your brain to be confident and fearless. Now let's wrap up today's video by summarizing what we've learned.
In today's video, we shared amazing brain tricks to help you learn English faster and think smarter. We talked about visualization, association, multiple senses, and spaced repetition. We also discussed chunking, self-talk, mindfulness, and the power of sleep in learning.
Storytelling, curiosity, teaching others, changing your environment, using music, and enjoying the learning process. Remember, your brain is powerful. Use it the right way, and English will become easier and more natural for you.
We hope you enjoyed this video and will use these brain tricks in your English learning journey.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel English with Altaf for more helpful videos like this.
Thanks for watching. Stay confident, stay smart, and keep learning.
Take care and see you in the next video.